just picked up my phone. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna be showing you the delicious food. Here you go, guys. I'll give you a side view of the food. And this is like miracle, but yeah, this is called adobo. This is a bit kind of delicious food in the Philippines. It's called adobo. Oh yeah, you know who's holding the phone? It's Warball School. Yeah, it's my Warball School. Good guys. I'm gonna go pick up my iPad. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go pick it up. Yeah. Peace. Put the side view there. A bit louder so you can see the food. Yo, sorry camera. Or could you say phone? Another spoon, please. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be watching YouTube. I'm watching my Atkins report video.
The shower. It's a bathroom, guys. Next one.
Teleporting.
Sight, I can't teleport right. Now I'm in the store. Now we're in the money. What, really? And the cigarettes? Alright, now we're talking. Alright, guys. Next one. This is the fries. Okay. I was gonna teleport to my room. Suck. This is the oven. Finally, I'm in my room. I'm just showing you my new fidget. And also, guys, if you want this fidget spinner,
go to
the link in
GameSpring.com.
the description below.
Just kidding.
And then this
I
is
don't
my
know any
number one
website.
fidget spinner.
Actually, guys,
Yeah.
once my website, go into Safari or Google, search Martin VR Minecart.
If you want this,
Just like my channel name.
comment down section below.
Hey guys,
The iron
thanks.
fidget spinner. I picked this one up.
19 subscribers.
You guys wanna know where I found this? I didn't buy it. I found it.
Come on.
I didn't say mom.
Okay. Bye guys. Actually guys, if you want adobo, call my mom.
Okay,
She's
guys.
expert at this. Bye.